Quilibrium is one of my favorite projects sitting at only 20 million market cap, and they're attacking an important problem. And the way they're aiming to privatize and encrypt every bit of internet traffic. And they're actually fighting big tech and large corporations that want our data. So they are giving power back to the people with what they're doing in their project. And as y'all have seen, Zcash has been probably one of the only cryptocurrencies lately that had a good run up. So is Quilibrium the next big thing? I think yes, that's why I'm holding. My actual purchasing chart is diabolical. If y'all see this, I haven't sold a single quil in a while, guys. My average buying price is like 8 cents. So I'm down a whopping 75%, something like that. But today, the QNS marketplace is finally live. So let's go scoop up one of these domain names and secure some before they get very expensive, because if y'all remember, ENS Ethereum name service made a lot of noise back in the days, and we've had people who were selling Ethereum names for like thousands of dollars. So who knows, maybe if we scoop up a few of those assets for a project that nobody knows yet, that is at a low market cap, we could see a lot of upside, if the project increases in market cap. So this Quilibrium name service is basically a username across all the network and just the ecosystem in general for all your applications, even websites or messaging applications, things of that nature, gaming usernames, whatever you can think of. So we're gonna be able to trade them. And the more names you buy, you actually get QNS points and governance power. So this is something that we're gonna have to see what are the benefits of that. So the first thing I would do is click right here, names.quil.com. It's their official website. I'm going to link this Twitter post in my video description. So click that. It's gonna take you to a page like this. And directly we can see the pricings that are pretty hefty, guys. If y'all want a 3-character domain name, it's 20,000 quil, which is around $500 right now. So we're gonna see how much we spend right now, but it looks pretty straightforward. There's a marketplace here and the register page. So the first thing I'm gonna do is connect my wallet. So I'm gonna select MetaMask and I'm gonna select this account right here because this is where I have my quil. So after having thought of a name a little bit, let's go with Quil Stats. Boom. So Quil Stats, it costs 4,000 quil and they have a 25% bridge fee. Guys, whatever, just pay it. We're in the stealth phase, we're in the early days. Who gives a shit about fees? Just whatever, it's 5,000. So continue to payment. I'm going to pay in quil. So 5,000 quil is around 125 bucks right now, USD. Ethereum chain, you're gonna click right here. Pay with token. Let me double check everything. I'm getting 400 QNS points as well. It's a one-time payment only. I kind of like this name as well. So boom, Ethereum, sign and continue to payment. So it's going to open your MetaMask wallet, Ethereum chain. So you're gonna click payment right here. It's gonna open your MetaMask wallet. So boom, from your wallet to them, the payment is right here. It's around 120 bucks on the Ethereum chain, on the good domain name. This is very important. And let's just put the fees at aggressive, confirm. And now it's just waiting for the confirmation a little bit. So just let it do its thing. And boom, guys, confirmation registration. So we're waiting for 12 blocks and the name is going to be officially mine. As you can see, details, payment, and now we're at confirmation. Everything was super smooth. I really love this dashboard. They have a marketplace right here. And the people that had bought some names a few days ago are already trying to make a profit. So we can see there is a market for it. Some people are selling their names for $100,000. They're probably crazy, but look at this guy, SoftBank. Maybe this domain name is going to be something huge in 5 years from now or 10 years from now. Citigroup, Royal Bank of Canada. So, these people are trying their thing. They're trying to make a quick buck. So, at least there's a market for it. It makes things fun. And you can go to auctions. You can place some auctions as well on other names as well. You can place some bids. So that's pretty fun. And guys, don't worry, your name is going to appear here as long as your wallet is connected. And to prove that, if we go back to register and we write the name that I just bought, Quil Stats, name is temporarily reserved for another registration in progress. So it probably takes a few minutes because everything is still not so stable, but that was pretty much it for this video. I'm going to try to think of like 10 very cool names that, might be super interesting in a few years from now. I basically use the Bittensor logic, and we have a domain name here called taostats.io that I really love. I really love this platform for Bittensor, so that's why I went with quil stats. So maybe in 2-3 years, I would be the one building this dashboard. Who knows? So this was my thinking process. I will maybe aim for 10 or 20 names, and we'll see. Maybe I'll sell them, I'll trade them if there's some amazing hype. We'll see. But that was the point of this video. We are here on this channel to make life-changing money, to make 10 to 100 X's, because otherwise, what am I doing in crypto? I'd rather work a normal job and not have that stress. But I really do believe Quilibrium is the next big thing. And you know, if Ethereum had a good success with ENS, I do not see why QNS wouldn't have a good success either. So hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. Let me know in the comments down below, what names did you reserve? Did you buy something? Are you holding Q? Do you know about this project? And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.